Hi, I'm Marty Saddam, the instructor and walking tour guide for the Walks with Charley course. This term will be the fourth time for Walks with Charley. Many members who took the course previously have taken it again. Things keep being added, and remember, I believe repetition is the key to adult learning. The course includes 5 walks featuring the history of Arlington Ridge and also includes many aspects of conventional nature walks, fresh air, birds, plants, trees, and maybe weather. We will also have guest Arlington Master Naturalists with us. Over the last 11 years, I've walked every street, alley, path, and trail on and surrounding Arlington Ridge, all 20 miles of them, accompanied by Charley. She may come along with the class, but just in case she can't, at least let me introduce you to her. Charley, a golden doodle, and I have been best friends for over 12 years. That relationship started when, as a 2-month-old puppy, she crawled into my lap and I couldn't stop thinking about her. I even published a book with her. Each session features parks and historic locations of Arlington. Session 1, northeast on a route from Hume School to Fort Albany to JEB Stuart homes to the Madison house and back to Hume School. Session 2, southwest from Fort Scott Park to Oakridge Park to 4 Mile Run Park to Luna Park and back to Fort Scott Park. Session 3, southwest from Fraser Park to Green Valley Manor to Haley Park to Gunston Park and 4 Mile Run Trail to Troy Park and ARNA Valley to Dolley Madison Tunnel and back to Fraser Park. Session 4, northwest from Virginia Highlands Park to Crystal City with discussion about Jackson City, Crystal House, and Preston Plantation, then back up to the Ridge and Knoll Park and return to Virginia Highlands, and Session 5, Green Valley, the original large plantation of the area. But the walk will be all on Army-Navy Country Club property. Each session provides an introduction and orientation to the tour of the day, followed by a walking tour of the area described by 5 to 7 stories from each chapter of the book. Each walk is a 2-mile circuit, designed to avoid traffic, be shaded, and be generally flat. We'll make several stops along the route where group discussion is easier than on the fly. We'll use the Live Voice smartphone app so all participants are able to clearly hear me and our guests' comments and participate in questions. The book is not required reading, but might be a good complement to a walk and can be purchased through Amazon or the Arlington Historical Society Museum store. I hope to see and walk with you as the autumn leaves add color to our Arlington Ridge.